Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to add American Express gift card to your Cash app. So there are different methods which you can use to transfer your gift cards to the Cash app. As you can see, add gift card directly to the Cash app which you can use, and there is another method like exchanging your gift card for cash. You can do it as well. And the third step is use PayPal to transfer money from gift card to Cash app. These are some different methods which are being used to convert your gift card or to exchange your gift card for cash in the different applications or to the Cash app as well. So these are some simple steps. But if we talk about the American Express gift card, so they are basically, you cannot directly add an American Express gift card to a Cash app account. There is no direct way that you can do it and use it for the transaction as well. American Express gift cards are not designed for use in the mobile wallets or for the direct transfer to payments, as in cash apps. There are different gift cards available that you can use to transfer to cash apps, which you can use to directly exchange them or transfer money to your PayPal, through PayPal to your Cash app, which you can try. But if you talk about the American Express gift card, there is no direct way that you can do it. However, you can do some purchases and do some payments, where the card, those gift cards are accepted, and just use your gift cards. But if you are finding any kind of way which you can use to transfer it to the Cash app, there is no direct way. So do not waste your time and use them where they are allowed to use and they are accepted. So that is a simple and easy answer to how you can add American Express gift card to the Cash app, or how you can use it.